After years of professional user development, the Sig Sauer ROMEO9T red dot optic has arrived. Built to endure the harshest environments, the ROMEO9T is fully assembled in the USA, constructed of 7075 CNC aluminum, and includes a titanium shroud and hardware. Tested to MIL 810 standards with an IPX8 waterproof and fog-proof rating, the ROMEO9T utilizes a CR123 battery, affording it a 50,000-hour runtime and 10-hour reserve without battery. Engineered with stealth in mind, a proprietary optical design mitigates the downrange light signature during night vision usage. Sig Sauer's proprietary lenses and highly sophisticated coatings afford unrivaled clarity under night vision, making the 9T the superior solution for low-light operations. The red and green dots toggle easily for 2 different ballistic holds to support alternative use cases as each mission dictates. Night vision mode allows for a 1-button activation to immediately increase reticle brightness when transitioning from night vision back to daytime use. There is no optic more durable, more advanced, or more thoroughly tested by its end user. The Sig Sauer ROMEO9T.